Hello students, welcome to online classes from KV Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 10 subject biology chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is life processes. So inside chapter 1 life processes, today I am going to discuss about our pump, the heart. In my previous video, I have explained our pump, the heart, but external structure of the heart. But in this video, I am going to describe internal structure, means how heart internally looks. So inside internal structure, the internal structure of the heart consists of two uricles, two ventricles, blood vessels and valves. Internally, our heart consists of two ventricles, blood vessels and valves. So first of all, we will discuss on uricles. The uricles are atriums. Uricles also called atriums. So uricles are atriums or upper two chambers. That means upper two chambers are called uricles. They have thin wall as their function is to pump blood only into the ventricles. Uricles have thin wall as they have only pump blood into the ventricles. The uricles are separated from each other. That means left auricle and right auricle are separated from each other by interauricular septum. Both auricles are separated by interauricular septum. Now we discuss on ventricles. These are two lower thick walled chambers. Lower chambers of the heart are called ventricles. And ventricles are separated from each other by interventricular septum. Both ventricles are separated from each other by interventricular septum. The walls of the left ventricle is thicker than that of the right ventricle. Walls of the left ventricle are thicker than the right ventricle, because the left ventricle has to pump blood into the vessel that further carry the blood to the whole body. Left ventricle has thicker wall than right ventricle, because left ventricle has to pump blood into the blood vessels that travels into the entire body, whole body. The right ventricle pump blood to the pulmonary arteries, which carry blood to the lungs. Right ventricles pump blood to the pulmonary arteries. Right ventricles pump blood into the pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery send it to lungs. Now blood vessels entering the heart. Blood vessels entering the heart. The right auricle receives two large vessels. Right auricle receives two large vessels. Anterior vena cava and posterior vena cava. Means blood vessels entering the heart. Right auricle receives two large vessels, anterior vena cava and posterior vena cava. Anterior vena cava brings oxygenated blood? Anterior, I telling you, anterior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from the head and upper region of the body. Anterior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood, brings impure blood from head and upper part of the body. Posterior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from lower regions of the body. So, the left auricle receives pulmonary veins that brings oxygenated blood, that brings pure blood. Now, blood vessels having the heart. Blood vessels leaving the heart. From the right ventricle, large pulmonary artery arises. From the right ventricle, large pulmonary veins arises. Then what happens? It happens and it takes venous blood to the lungs for oxygenation. And it takes venous blood to the lungs. And from there will be oxygenation, purification of blood will be done. The aorta, which is also called main artery, arises from the left ventricle and carries oxygenated blood to supply it to all parts of the body. The coronary arteries, right and left, arise from the base of the main artery and supply blood to the heart muscles. If there is blockage in coronary arteries, then it leads to heart attacks. But after it, inside internal structure, we will learn about valves in the heart. The valves in the heart are the folds of endocardium. Folds of endocardium are called valves of the heart. These are 4 valves in the heart that control the flow of blood within the heart and ensure the blood evenly distributed to various parts of the body. They are bicuspid, tricuspid, pulmonary semilunar valve and pulmonary semilunar valve and aortic semilunar valves. These are the valves present in the heart of human body. So I think that this much enough.